This is question 7 on June 2011 Unit 2 foundation paper. We've got 4 houses and their prices. We've got to find which is the cheapest. They've put slight gaps in these numbers, and if you want to, you can put commas in there to make it easier. This one is 132,500. This one's 131,950. Well, 131,000 anything is cheaper than 132,000. So the cheaper one is either going to be B or D. So if we look more carefully at B or D, B is 131,950. D is 131,750. So D is cheaper. Then it says which is the most expensive. Well, that's going to be one of the ones that are 132,000. The one on the left is 132,500. This one is 132,400. So the most expensive is this one here, which is A. Part C, we've got to say what is the difference in price between them. So this is doing a taking away. So we are going to have the most expensive one, which is 132,500. Take away the cheapest one, which was 131,750. And we're doing this taking away sum here. So one way of doing it is as a classic taking away sum. So if we just work through this sum, 0 take away 0 is 0. 5 take away 0 you cannot do. You cannot take 5 away from 0. You haven't got enough there to start with. So you borrow 1 from here. So that 5 becomes a 4. And the one I've borrowed comes here. So now I have 10 take away 5 is 5. 4 take away 7 I can't do. I can't take 7 away from 4. 4 is not big enough. So I come over here and borrow 1 from there. So I knock this number down by 1. And it's a 1 I put there. It's always a 1 I put across. That makes that 14. 14 take away 7 is 7. 1 take away 1 is 0. 3 take away 3 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So there's my answer. The answer to that question was £750. Part D of the question, it says Jack buys house C. He pays a 10% deposit. How much is 10% of 132,400, which is the price of house C? So to get 10% of something, if it ends in a 0, to get 10% of it, you just get rid of that last 0. So that is the answer. 13240. And if you want to put a comma in to make it easier to read, come in 3 places from the right. Comma will go in there. That would make it £13,240.